Have you ever tried buying and selling shares in a Demat account? Don't worry, it's not that tough to understand. The term Demat refers to dematerialization. The stock exchanges no longer trade paper share certificates. They have already switched to digital means. All shares are traded electronically through Demat. The process of selling your shares from your Demat account is also digital. For selling shares that are in your Demat account, you must first establish a trading account. You can sell stocks from your trading account by simply selecting them. Enter the number of shares you want to sell next to the Sell button. Your Demat account will be debited for the number of shares of the selected stock. Shares will be sold at the current market price of the stock. Furthermore, the brokerage fee will be deducted from the sale proceeds and the net selling price will be credited to your linked bank account. What if someone wants to buy and sell shares from a Demat account? We have a solution to your problem. To make you understand more easily, we've segregated the whole process into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Open a Demat account. You need to have a trading account and then trade on any stock exchange. Step 2. Analysis of trading account. Understanding the whole interface and features of your trading account is super important. Keep trying the clicks for additional information, but never click on any unknown tab that may route you to losses. Know the charges. That is step 3. Brokerage charges for intraday and equity differ. An equity trade is when you sell your shares after holding them for some time, unlike the day-to-day trade. Step 4. Execution of transaction. You must enter the relevant transaction details such as the quantity purchased or sold on the trading platform. Buying requires sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Demat account transfers may be hampered by payment issues. Step 5 is settlement. Let's understand the settlement in a settling tone. Shares are debited from your Demat account when you sell them. Proceeds from the sale are credited to your bank account. Simultaneously, when you purchase, your bank account is debited and your Demat account is credited. As a newcomer to the stock market, you should start small and take more significant steps as you gain experience.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.